guys, welcome to my channel Dev Online. In this tutorial of JavaScript, today we are going to learn loop control, how we can control our loop system, where whenever we want to stop the loop and whenever we want to continue our loops, so we can control our loops with this JavaScript statements. So basically there are two statements, one is break statements and the second is continue statements. So JavaScript provides full control of handle loops and switch statements. There may be a situation when you need to come out of a loop without reaching its bottom. Like there may be also a situation when you want to skip a part of your code block and start the next iteration of the loop. So to handle all such situations, JavaScript provides break and continue statements. So these statements are used to immediately come out of any loop or to start the next iteration of any loop respectively. So let me give you one example. So the first example, I'm going to show you the break statement, the break system of JavaScript. So first of all, I'm just creating a variable which is equal to 1, and then I'm just going to give you one heading, like document.write on the HTML file. Okay, we are going to entering the loop. So this is just a heading, entering the loop, and then I just want to give him a break so not everything comes in one line. So now here I'm defining a loop here, while say x, then I'm calling less than 20, greater than, less than 20, I think. Sometimes I'm confused about this less than and greater than, so I hope you guys know very well. And x less than 20, and then I'm calling here whenever if x equal to 5, so we have to stop this. So how can we stop? We can stop to the break statement. We can use the JavaScript break statement. We are going to tell to the loop x basically need to go to the 20, but whenever x comes to the 5, so it just break the loop and the loop is finished here. So what should loop do? So we calling here x is equal to basically x and the x value and then plus 1. So each time when loop is running, so it will be take the old value of x and plus 1 another 1. So that's how the loop is working. After this, let me show you on written on HTML that how it looks like. So I'm calling here x and then plus, and then I'm just giving on the break the line, so you can see each loop result on single line. So I'm going to open here. You can see entering the loop. I think maybe I am wrong somewhere. Equal to x is equal to x plus 1. This is I'm wrong because I have to write this inside in the loop, so then it's loops going to work with it. So let's see again, just a minute. Now you can see 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we see here, whenever x comes to 5, whenever it's equal to 5, so just break the loop and no more loop should be end. No more loops is work. So this is how we can use our break statement to exit a loop early, breaking out the enclosure curly braces. The second thing is continue statement. Continue statement means if you want your loop when it's running and somewhere you want to stop, or somewhere you want to take out the item, or you don't want to see the item, you just give them as continue statement. They will be take out this statement and the rest of will be loop show you. So let me give you the same example for here. I mean, for now just remove this. So the same here, x is less than 20 and then x is equal to x plus 1, we can show them here. But before that, I'm just calling the continue statement here. So I'm saying here, if x equal to 5, the same 5 formula I'm going to use, then I'm say continue. So continue here. So it's showing here whenever is x comes to the 5, so just take out the 5 and the rest need to continue. So let me go on the page and refresh it. So now you can see here 2, 3, 4, and there is no 5. So they took out the 5 and then continue again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and all the way the long of 20. So when a continuous statement is encountered, the program flow moves to the loop check expression immediately, and if the condition remains true, then it starts the next iteration. So otherwise, the controls comes out of the loop. So this is how we can control our loop statements in JavaScript. I hope you guys understand very well. If you guys have any question, please comments below and like my videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video.